Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today we'll be reviewing the Vantrue N2X dashcam. Before we get into the review, let's do a quick unboxing to see what comes in the package. We've got a product registration flyer, a Vantrue user manual, the dashcam itself, a box with a pry tool, magnetic mount, and some cables for power. With the contents out of the way, let's get into the review. Starting off with design, the Vantrue N2X has a sleek cylindrical design that looks quite premium in this two-tone color. We've got a 2-inch LCD screen and power button facing the driver, a Type-C port and microSD slot on the left side, physical buttons for easy access options at the bottom, and a large circular surface housing the lens. The dimensions and weight of the dashcam give it a sturdy and substantial feel, but this can be a pro or con depending on personal preference. What is really cool, however, is the magnetic mount. It snaps into place and even has a DC port so you can plug in power directly into the mount. Additionally, this thing's got a 3M backing, which is extremely adhesive and takes the cake compared to the suction cup mounts. Moving into features, the Vantrue N2X offers a dual lens setup that captures exterior and interior footage. You get a 158-degree field of view up front at a resolution of 1944 by 1080p and a 160-degree field of view for the interior at 1080p. The dashcam is also equipped with the Sony Surface 2 sensor, offering good video quality even in low light conditions. The interior camera rotates for adjustability and features infrared technology to help capture footage even in pitch black conditions. Vantrue does allow you to customize the resolution of the cameras, which include enabling or disabling the interior camera. Additional important features include built-in GPS and parking mode. However, please note that the parking mode feature requires the purchase of a hardwired kit, which is not included. What is nice to see is that the dashcam is powered via USB-C and supports up to 512 gigs of storage. As for usability, the Vantrue's interface remains user-friendly, and the use of physical buttons makes scrolling through the menu and making selections a breeze. So, what's the verdict? I think the Vantrue N2X is a great value for money dashcam. It might not be a true 2-channel setup, but it's an awesome solution for folks who want a simple plug-and-play dual camera setup without the hassle of running cables through the entire car. You're getting a feature-rich dashcam at a price that's considerably lower than some of the big-name competitors. The Vantrue N2X is a nice upgrade over basic entry-level dashcams, and it genuinely deserves a look if you're in the market for one. More importantly, Vantrue does offer good deals on their products throughout the year, so be on the lookout if you want to save a few extra bucks. In any case, hope you enjoyed the review, and be sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful. If you've got any questions, be sure to throw them in the comments below, and until next time, take care and drive safe, y'all. Peace.